Hello guys, welcome to MotorBeam. So we are out riding the Triumph Speed 400 and सामने पेट्रोल पंप आ गया है. We are going to do a mileage test and do a lot of other things. Let's figure out कितना क्या कैसे मिलने वाला है. Fuel tank gets a hinge, that's nice. बस तेरे लेवल वाला ना वो बस बरोबर है. Perfect on the brim level. So we have just done a full tank and as you can see it's about 1074 kilometers on the odo. We'll change the trip को reset कर देते हैं. ये trip reset, mileage वगैरह we don't know. Let's see how much mileage we get on the speed. Let's go. So as you can see we've got a decent amount of traffic also. यहाँ पे we are riding close to just 20-30 kilometers per hour. Live mileage में देखेंगे ना तो let's see live mileage. It's giving close to 15 kilometers per liter right now and live में if we switch it will be 99 कुछ भी दिखाता है. Anyways, live is here. So we'll see how much mileage do we get from the Speed 400. The 400cc, or should we say the 398cc motor, producing 40 bhp of power and 37.5 Nm of torque, and the motorcycle weighs 176 kg. Yes, 6 kg थोड़ा extra है compared to the international model क्योंकि यहाँ पे wheels are little heavier. You get a leg guard, you get number plate holder, and you also get a sari guard at the back. Plus this motorcycle, it's quite nice for what it has to offer as of now. Live mileage में 28-30 चल ही रहा है. So let's see. By the time we can finish the mileage test video, I can talk about a few things which a few friends of mine had asked. Is it tractable? Is it not? Right now I am at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour, third gear, and opens up. चलेगा? I am going to the fourth gear. I'll go back to 30 kilometers per hour again, and let's see. 30 पे आ जाओ. Little bit of nudging, but no knocking at all. मतलब थोड़ा सा vibrations आता है, but no knocking as such. I'll go to the fifth, sixth gear. चलो sixth gear पे चलते हैं. I'll stay at 50 or maybe 40 kilometers per hour on the sixth gear, and I'll open throttle now. No nudges at all. So the amount of torque that's available lower down is decent enough to be on the top end too. So overall this motor feels quite nice. Right from 2,500-3,000 rpm, almost 70-80% torque आराम से मिल जाता है आपको, and it goes up to the torque band. So the torque band is pretty wide and literally no knocking as such. So if you're on the higher gear at lower rpm, यहाँ पे problem नहीं होएगा. So that question is definitely answered, and I'll try to get the best mileage possible, not pushing the bike too much, but normally जैसे चलाते हैं ना वैसे चलाएंगे. अपना braking भी होगा, सब कुछ होगा. And brakes के लिए, yes, there was a concern that यहाँ पे you get a 300mm disc instead of a 320 that you get on the Scrambler, or a 320 that you get on the Duke, or a 320 that you get on the Dominar. So 300 है ना, इसका bite काफ़ी अच्छा है. It's sharp. It's not too sharp and it's not too soggy. It has a balance to it. So yes, if you are using the front brakes only, अच्छा है. It dips in, the suspension dips in and it goes 80-100 brakes. Yep, bite is there. Bite is definitely there. Bite could have been even sharper. मतलब on road condition में it could have been even sharper, but मस्त है, अभी problems नहीं हो रहा है. And fairly this is a new bike, तो yeah, you know. Okay, so we are done with the tracking of the motorcycle. थोड़ा shots ले लिया, थोड़ा सा बारिश भी गिरा. That's why my visor is a little wet. If you find a little bit of foggy lens, I'm sorry about that. But hey, we are having fun with this motorcycle. We don't have to think twice. The amount of feedback the handlebar gives, the amount of confidence this motorcycle provides, the amount of, कैसे बोलूँ, you don't really have to think twice before making a move, because this motorcycle is flickable. At 176 kgs it does not feel heavy at all, and staying at 100 kilometers per hour, it's not a problem at all. Right below 6000 rpm, 6 gear, 100 kilometers per hour, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है. अब चल रहा है, तगड़ा चल रहा है. Before we run out of breath, let's look at some timings, shall we? Okay. This one does 150 kilometers per hour without even worrying for a single bit. My goodness, that is some acceleration from the motor I was not expecting at all. Seriously, wow. And if I stay cruising at 120 kilometers per hour, which I am right now, there is a little bit of buzziness that's coming from the handlebar and little bit from the foot pegs, nothing from the tank or the seat. So if you are going touring on this motorcycle, yes, the Windblast will bother you quite a lot, but then again the buzziness will not. And it has started raining. Arey yaar, roads are wet, even though GoPro is getting wet. I'm not really sure if things are gonna be alright, but I am not wearing any rain gear. I'll have to change. I'll have to wait. बारिश क्यों? रुक जा थोड़ा. अरे यार. Nice. ठीक है. So the battery percentage is at 49%. I'll just plug this in क्योंकि यहाँ पे Type C connector है directly. यहाँ पे डाला और Type C connector तो लगा दिया. Port occupied. Let's see if it connects. It's not charging as of now. Maybe if I turn on the motorcycle, probably then it will start charging. Yep. So the charge is on. I'll put this inside and let's see कितना charge होता है.
A few moments later.
66.5 kilometers. Total odo is at 1140. Let's fill it up again and let's see how much mileage we get. ये full ही है tank. इस पे आने पे आपको ऊपर रखना पड़ेगा. 2 लीटर के आसपास ही जाएगा. फिर भी देखते. बस एग्जैक्ट. हाँ कितना 3 लीटर के आसपास गया. ठीक है. 2.91. As it turns out, we have done close to 66.5 kilometers and 2.91 liters. So 66.5 divided by 2.91 equals to 22.8 ka mileage I've got from this motorcycle, where I've ridden close to heavy traffic and yes, pushed it nicely. Yep, it's a little more than what I've expected. So yeah, somewhere close to 25 ka mileage you will easily get, and if you ride it very sanely, very nicely, 28 possible on this motorcycle from a 400cc. Number seems less for what it has to offer, but yeah, it's decent enough. Let's go. There's rain again, yaar.